And then in here, Maureen, this is cat holding. We have three fluffy kittens that were just brought in. Really cute. One's a Duluth calico. Oh, don't be so hissy. Fluffy. There's three of those, and their numbers are 4461, 4460. These two, gray and white, really cute, fluffy. And those are 4210, 4209. Really cute. Black and white. And this room's called cat holding. Sort of night kitten. That looks like a ragtail rat. It was caught in a trap, but she's not mean. Watch her bite me. But she is beautiful. She's long haired. Can we see her face? Beautiful cat. But she was trapped. And then down here, got some long haired, pretty cats. Two black and white kittens. A bunch of orange cats. And that's just cat holding. So these